Wednesday, July 30, 2025. St. Peter Chrysologus. Focus. Like treasure hidden in a field. Hunting for hidden treasure with the hope of finding riches used to be a favorite pursuit. Reflecting on today's parables of the kingdom, do we not usually yearn for worldly treasures rather than the kingdom of God? As I was approaching my final semester in high school, my mind was in a whirl. The guidance counselor suggested I apply to a good college. My mother wanted me to get a good job. I felt called to religious life, and a priest from my parish was supporting me with prayer and guidance. Finally, God's will became clear. A religious congregation informed me that I had been accepted. Leaving all indecision behind, I began my journey with the Lord. Half measures will not do for the kingdom. It is such a priceless treasure that we should be ready to surrender everything for it. If God has called us to follow a particular path, all other ambitions must be set aside. St. Paul says, I have suffered the loss of all things, in order that I may gain Christ. Many challenges confront us as we try and live as faithful disciples of Jesus. The world offers us treasures galore if we conform to worldly and social mores. Many succumb. But do we recognize the incomparable treasure that Jesus Himself is? Fruit. Let us consider what treasures we pursue and pray for perseverance to remain faithful to Jesus, our priceless treasure.